I knew there was going to be something there. Finally got hit, man. Gosh, I've covered a lot of water for this fish. The water's not even cold. Like, I should have caught more by now, but I'll take what I can get. It's a good one. Alright, we're on to something. We're on to something. That fish was about 5 feet down from the last one. Here we go, baby. Oh my gosh. That fish hit it like a fucking 10-pounder, man. You're not even big. Quick release. Fish crushed it. Man, I thought that was gonna be a big one. Hit it on a dead stop. I thought that was gonna be a giant. All the fish I've caught have been fucking small. That one hit it right in that grass, dude. Didn't even move it. There you go. Oh, that was a big one. Gotcha. Man, I can't catch any big ones. All the big ones I've got have just missed the frog and not fully eaten it. That one ate the trickworm on the fall, so maybe I'll start throwing this a little bit. Big one. Love a good worm bite. Best one of the day. Nice. That one just hit it dead sticking. That's a good one. Snapped me off. Had my drag too tight, y'all. That was a 4+ pounder, and I'm using 8-pound test. That's what I get. I had my drag too fucking tight. Grass is almost a little bit too thick in here. Please don't break me off. It's a big one. It's a big one. Oh my gosh, you guys. Please don't break me off. Please don't break me off. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, it's a freaking tank, y'all. It's a freaking tank. Oh my gosh. It's a freaking tank. I got 8-pound line. That's a beast. Oh my gosh. Come here, you. Hell yeah, baby. Redemption. Redemption. How you doing? Nice one, baby. Look, she choked it too. Hook just fell out. Just fell out. Look at that. That's a 4-pounder for you. Nice. Oh my gosh, there's another big one. I gotta loosen my drag. Broke me off again. Gosh. Damn it. I'm gonna break off again. I just freaking know it, dude. I'm so fucking scared. Oh, she's got me in sticks. I'm so scared I'm gonna break off. It's not even a big one. I'm just fucking terrified I'm gonna break off right now. Oh my gosh, y'all. Please don't break me off. Please, please, please don't break me off. Please, I'm begging you. Yo, this trickworm bite is fucking stupid right now. I'm getting hit like every fucking cast damn near. And they're all fucking big. I am never coming out here with 8-pound line again, man. I've never been so scared to hook a fish in my life. I feel like I'm gonna get broke off every cast. But man, they're hitting this thing every 5 feet of the bank. Literally, it's fucking crazy. Got tired of losing them on the freaking trickworm. I'm getting way more hits on the trickworm, but man, I do like 65-pound braid. Oh my god! How? Y'all, that was a fucking monster. That was a monster. Dude, I set the hook so fucking hard. How the fuck did I lose that fish? Somehow these fish are just fucking shaking it. I don't understand. God, that was a fucking monster. Biggin. No, it's not a biggin. Man, that last one was fucking giant. This one hit it like a giant, but dude, somehow these fish are just not getting hooked. Nothing wrong with my frog. Jeez. Hit it like a biggin. Two in a row. Dude, why can't I fucking land anything, man? God damn it. I can't fucking land shit. Yeah, baby. Whew. Finally landed one on the frog. It's the biggest one of the day. Nice. Another good one. She goes. Man, these fish are hard to land right now. I don't know what the deal is. They're just hard to fucking get in the boat, man. Oh my gosh. Dude, what is going on out here? Y'all, I have never been on a bite like this out here. 8 years of fishing Town Lake, and I've never seen them eat like this. This is absolutely insane.